Hello guys, today I am going to do the interior cleaning of the BMW 5 Series. For this you will need three components: a 3M interior cleaner, a soft brush and a soft microfiber cloth. At first we will see how is the interior now. So as you can see, I had vacuumed the car earlier. The mats are clean, the glove box is pretty much clean and all the mats are clean. Now I am cleaning the side panels, the glove box leather, the seats. Now I will show you how to clean the seats. So I am using this 3M interior cleaner. I will give you the link in the description. And at first we will apply it over the seat. I will shake it a little bit and just apply it on one part of the car. And now close it. And after you feel that it is pretty much clean, now clean it with the microfiber cloth like this. Now this part is clean. Now I will show you the whole seat. That you doesn't apply this for a long time, it can tear your seats. you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below what do you want in the next video. Thank you.